how to instantly reverse money on Nedbank app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can instantly reverse money on Nedbank app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to instantly reverse money on Nedbank app, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Nedbank app on your smartphone and log in using your username and password or biometric login if enabled. Then, from the main dashboard, navigate to your account's transaction history. This is where you can view all recent transactions. After that, scroll through the list of transactions to locate the one you wish to reverse. Note the details of this transaction, including the amount, date, and recipient. Then, contact customer support or initiate a chat or call. So, when connected to a customer support representative, provide all necessary details about the transaction, such as the date, amount, recipient's name, and account number if available. Then, the representative may ask for verification details to confirm your identity. This could include answering security questions or providing a one time password sent to your registered mobile number. After that, follow the instructions given by the customer support representative. They will guide you through the necessary steps to request a reversal. So, once you've initiated the reversal request, ask for a reference number. This will help you track the status of your request. At last, just keep an eye on your account for any updates or notifications regarding the reversal request. The bank will notify you once the request has been processed. So, that's how you can instantly reverse money on Nedbank app. That's all for this video.